Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I am show how to change your orientation in MS Word 2016. So guys, now I am open MS Word 2016. So click MS Word folder and open Word 2016. So guys, now I am show template. Just I am template insert you first table and content. So just click here and download this template and open. So now the layout show 14. So how can change landscape? So click layer option and click orientation, and this is the portrait mode, and click landscape mode. So now you can see landscape. Just zoom. So guys, I hope like this video and subscribe our channel. Goodbye, keep watching next.